Hi, boys and girls. I'm Nana Rose. Today's story is The Baby Beebee Bird. This is by Diane Redfield Massey, and the pictures are by Stephen Kellogg. The Baby Beebee Bird, Diane Redfield Massey, pictures by Stephen Kellogg. There's a man here with a little cap on, and he's pushing a cart, and it says, "New to the zoo." And there's a little tiny bird there. For Daniel and Leanna Hardy, to Peter with love. Oompa, 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 roar, roar, eek, 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 ack, ackety, ack, roar, oompa, ruff, 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 arga, 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 ow, woof, 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 hiss, abba, 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 hiss. The animals at the zoo had roared and growled and hissed and meowed all day long. They were very tired. It's 8 o'clock, yawned the elephant, and he settled down in his big hay bed. I've eaten 562 peanuts today, he said. But no one heard him. They were all asleep. The zoo was very still. Until... Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby. What, said the elephant, is that? It's the baby Beebee bird, said the giraffe. He's new to the zoo. Well, tell him to be quiet, growled the leopard. I want to sleep. Please be quiet, said the giraffe politely. But I can't, said the Beebee bird. I'm wide awake. Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby. Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby. Quiet, roared the lion. He's wide awake, explained the giraffe. Oh, why isn't he tired like the rest of us? Moaned the bear. Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby. Aren't you tired? Asked the giraffe. No, said the Beebee bird. I've slept all day, and now it's time for me to sing. Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby. Oh dear, said the elephant, and I'm so sleepy. Beebee Bobby Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby. Quiet, shouted all the animals. Beebee Bobby Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby. We can't sleep. Beebee Bobby Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby. All night long. The sun rose in the morning on a very tired zoo. What could be the matter? Cried the keeper. The elephant is still lying down. The lion's paws are over his eyes. The eagle isn't screeching. Oh, dear me, the animals must be sick, he wailed. And he hurried away. Said the baby Beebee bird cheerfully, and he settled down for his morning nap. Beebee Bobby Bobby, Beebee Bobby Bobby. The lion whispered to the bear. I have a plan, he said. The bear nodded and whispered the plan to the others. The Beebee bird was at last asleep. Beebee Bobby! Roared the lion. Beebee Bobby! Trumpeted the elephant. Beebee Bobby! Bellowed the bears. Beebee Bobby! Beebee Bobby! Sang all the animals together. Quiet! Said the Beebee bird. Can't you see that I'm sleeping? It's time for my nap. Beebee Bobby! Yelled the hippos. Or, Beebee Bobby! Shrieked the seals. Beebee Bobby! Thundered the moose and the water buffalo. Beebee Bobby! Beebee Bobby! They roared. The keeper came running with his arms in the air. Oh, something is wrong, he shouted. So something is very wrong with the animals. Oh, whatever shall I do? And he jumped up and down with alarm. Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, sang the animals all day. And the baby Beebee bird simply couldn't sleep at all. Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby, Beebee Bobby. Look at how many of these there are. Beebee Bobby, 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 Beebee Bobby. The sun went down and the moon came up. Beebee Bobby, ah, whispered the lion, who was too tired to roar. Beebee Bobby, sighed the bear as he closed his eyes. Beebee Bobby, mumbled the elephant, half to himself. And then all was still. The moon shone down on a sleeping zoo. Not an ear or a tail or a whisker moved. And high, high up in the linden tree, a tiny bird, inside a leaf, was fast asleep. Woof, 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 arga, 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 beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, roar, ack, 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 ackety, ack, oompa, beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, bobby, oompa, roar, hiss, roof, roof, roof. And now, every day at the zoo, you can hear beebee, bobby, bobby, beebee, bobby, bobby, in between the lion's roars, roar. But at night, there's never a sound. Nighttime is really best for sleeping, especially for very little birds. And that's the story of the baby Beebee bird. What I'd like you to think about today is, if you weren't a boy or a girl, or a kid, if you weren't a child, if you were an animal, what would you be? What animal would you be? Get a piece of paper and some crayons or a marker or a pen or a pencil or whatever you have around the house and draw a picture of you as that animal. It could look just like the animal. It could look like you. It could be some combination of the two. What would you look like, and what animal would you be? And why would you be that animal? Is it because that animal has a personality like yours? Is it because that animal's a color that you like? Is it because that animal's furry and you'd like to be furry? Or feathered and you like to be feathered? What is it about that animal that you'd like to be that animal? And in addition to drawing the picture, write down a few sentences or a paragraph or maybe even a whole story about you as that animal, but why you'd be that animal. It could just have your name on it. It could say, I'd like to be, name the animal, and then why? Why would you be that animal? So this is The Baby Beebee Bird by Diane Redfield Massey, pictures by Stephen Kellogg. And whatever you do today, have fun.